Hello everyone, it is Stephanie here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to this is a makeup video and I love doing makeup videos because it's just really fun. But today I'm going to be reviewing the Elf Poreless Putty. And so if you're, someone who watches a lot of videos, and you like makeup, then I'm sure you know who Jeffree Star is. And a while back, he did a review of this product where he did one side of his face with the Elf Poreless Putty Primer, and then he used the Tatcha Primer, which he loves, and that's $52. So you can get the Elf Poreless Primer for $8, and he just gave it glowing reviews. He loves this product, and it just started flying off the shelves. For a while, you couldn't even get it anywhere. So I've watched some videos, and they're all super positive, and the reviews are very positive. But I wanted to do a video if you're someone who has mature skin. So I'm 50 years old, and so I wanted to see, and so when you're buying products for mature skin, there's a lot of things that you have to think about, and my skin is normal to dry. It's not oily whatsoever. So I just wanted to see, how does this lay on my skin, and how does my foundation go on with this primer. So I actually went to the Elf website to order this product, and so when you go onto their website, they have a clearance and sale items. So I immediately started going through there and looking at the clearance and sale items. I always do that because I always love a deal. So I actually bought a few more items, and I spent under $20. And so I'm going to show you what I got, and then we'll get started. So the package sort of came in this purple box, and it's kind of cute. The items were, packaged nicely. The difference about, I buy a lot of things on Amazon, and Amazon Prime, as you know, you get your products in like 2 days. So when I ordered this, it was fine because it's not anything I needed immediately, but it did take 10 days to get my items. So interestingly enough, this is really cute. So the Poreless Putty Primer is right here, and then they have two other primers. This typically retails for $20. Apparently, or it's a value of $20, selling for $15. I got it in the clearance for $6. So I actually got two more primers that I can test out. So I got 3 for $6. So again, typically the putty primer is about $8. So I got a really good deal. So I got that. And then I'm gonna have to put my glasses on because I cannot see. So then I purchased the Elf Modern Metals. This is a lip gloss, and it's supposed to give a shimmer and shine. It has vitamin E in it. All their products are vegan and cruelty-free, so that's cool. And this was $2.40. So I will try that out today as well and see what I think. Then I purchased this Elf Correct and Set Eye Powder. So they say it's weightless, and it's a color correcting powder, and so they say bake it on your concealer. So put your concealer and then bake it. So I don't typically use powders, and I think when you have mature skin, if you're using translucent powders, and powders, for me anyways, it tends to set in my fine lines and sort of dry out my skin and kind of get cakey. So I'm gonna try this. It might not work for mature skin, but this was $1.40, so I thought, I'll try it. If it doesn't work, big deal, right? And then I just got 2 makeup brushes. This is a lip defining brush, and I don't have one of those. And another thing with mature skin is using lip liner, and I will use lip liner, but sometimes it tends to really kind of define the lines that we kind of get around our mouth. So I wanted one of these to define my lips without using liner, but just using my lipstick and using a really fine lip brush, but I didn't have one. So this is a lip defining brush. Soft tapered brush is ideal for lip color application and softening lip pencil lines. This was $1. So we'll see. I needed a new foundation brush, so this one was $6. Selfie Ready Foundation Blurring Brush. So it's we'll see how this works. I don't know, and I'm terrible with packaging. You know, they package everything so tight. So that is all the stuff that I bought, under $20. I mean, that's pretty amazing. Okay, this is a lovely brush. Look at that. Ooh, it's soft too. So I'm excited to try that with my foundation. Okay. So let's see. Let me get this out. Okay. Here is the container. It seems it's pretty heavy, which is nice. Ooh, can you see that? Ooh, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so let me just tell you a little bit about this product. And like I said, on Amazon right now, if you want to buy it on Amazon, they've raised the price to $15.63. So let's see here what they, oopsie. Okay, so it says it's an everyday base, perfect your skin and lock in moisture with this squalane infused primer. Your pores and imperfections disappear when the silky base is applied prior to your makeup, giving it an all-day lasting ability. So it says apply your daily moisturizer. I did that. And then evenly cover your face with the Poreless Putty. And it says a thin layer and then let it set for 30 seconds. Okay, and it's cruelty and vegan free. Okay, so let's put that down. All right, so what I do is, so I showered, cleansed my face. I always put a toner, and you should get a good toner. I always put a toner on before my moisturizer, and toner is really good because it's going to tighten your skin and close up your pores. So you should really invest in a toner and then, you know, put your moisturizer. So I've already done that. My face is completely clean. I have no makeup on whatsoever. Okay, so we're just gonna dive in and get started. So, okay, so here it is. Ooh, it's really silky smooth. My goodness, I don't know. Okay, see it there? Ooh, all right. So let's just, let me get my mirror so I can, okay, so let's just see, okay, ooh. Oh, it feels lovely on the skin. Oh, wow. It's not tacky. Doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel really thick. Okay. Oh, man. I don't know. It feels really good on my skin. I'm going to bring it down in my neck area. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can tell you it really feels lovely. Wow. It really spreads out really well. I can feel it absorbing into my skin, which is great. Ooh. Feels fabulous. All right. My poor forehead, that's where I have the most lines in my face. Okay, wow. I just want to make sure I have enough on. I'm gonna bring it down. Oh, wow. I mean, look at that. I think my skin already looks better. Oh, it just feels great on the skin, I gotta tell you. And I'm actually gonna put a little on my eyelids as a primer there. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do, it says 30 seconds. Ooh, so lovely. It really does feel good. Okay, so let's just let that set. Oh man, it just soaks right into the skin. I love the way it feels. Wow. Okay. Let's do this. I don't have a fan. Should have a fan. Okay. So okay, I just had to get some new foundation because I was out, and the foundation that I love for my skin anyways is Smashbox, and this is the Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. 24-hour wear, I mean, I don't know who keeps foundation on for 24 hours, but I've been using this for about 3 years. Love it. It loves my skin. It's incredibly moisturizing. This is a medium coverage. With mature skin, I don't tend to use full coverage. That just is too heavy. So this is a medium coverage, but they say it's buildable to full coverage, and it is a buildable foundation. Okay, and this is about $36. I love this stuff. Okay, I think it's great for mature skin. But my daughter, who is 26, it is her foundation as well, and she loves it too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, whoops, is I'm gonna put some here. Let's get the pump going. Where's my foundation? Well, that's weird. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna get some on my back of my hand. And I'm gonna use my new brush. I'm a big fan of beauty blenders, but we're gonna go in, and I might go back in with, okay. I also don't, I try not to use a lot of concealer because that also for mature skin tends to set into your fine lines. Oh, this brush is lovely. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm liking it. I need more though. I don't always just do the brush. Sometimes I put the foundation, I put it on my face first. But we're gonna do it this way today. Up into the, I don't know. I like the brush. It's soft. Seems to be buffing and spreading nicely. Oh, good. Love. Right into the hairline, up into my ears, under my neck. Wow. I'm liking the way this is looking. Like a lot. Smooth. And then what I'll tend to do, okay, I like it. And I like a little bit of a dewy look to my skin, because when you have mature skin, it tends to get a little sallow. Okay, this. Okay, and then what I tend to do is take my beauty blender and just kind of pat it down, just to make sure that it's pressed in really nicely. Wow, this is beautiful. And it's, you know what I like is it just doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. Nothing heavy. Okay, so I like it. I'm really happy. Okay, so let me just move in for a sec closer so you can kind of see my skin. Okay, and I tend to have bangs nowadays just to cover some of my fine lines, but my hair is getting a little bit long and it is straight today. I'm liking it. My skin feels even, but it really looks fabulous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause and get the rest of my makeup on, and then we'll see how everything is holding up. So I will see you in a few. Let me pause. All right, I'll be back in a few. All right, my darlings, so I am back and I have a full face of my day makeup. And as you can see, it's very blended in, very natural. I did put this on and it gives a little shimmer. I have a base of a very neutral lipstick. I mean, it almost looks like I don't have anything. And then I put this on, and I'll tell you, I mean, for $2.40, it does what it says. So I'm pretty happy. But I gotta tell you, the primer and my makeup with this primer, it really does give a beautiful, smooth photo finish. It doesn't, you know, my makeup's not oxidizing. It's just very smooth. And so this Elf Putty Primer is an absolute plus. I think it works great on mature skin, and I really think it'll hold out all day. It feels fabulous. It doesn't really feel like I have anything on my skin. So I would encourage you to try this because I do think it works really well on mature skin as well. So whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a fabulous day, and this would be a great time to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to be kind, and until next time.